Hello kids, are you ready to learn about the color friends? Let's learn the color together. Red. This is a red color. My favorite color is red. How about you? How about you? Blue. This is a blue color. Do you know that blue and red color make purple color? Purple. This is a purple color. Yellow. Yellow. This is a yellow color. Do you know that red and yellow color make an orange color? Orange. Orange. Green. Green. This is a green color. White. White. This is a white color. Look, it's our colorful friends. Repeat after me. Red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, and black. Wow, so many colors. Every color is special just like you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.